A once-a-year website performance check can change everything. I'm Crystal from creative Sparrow Digital. A once-a-year website performance check isn't about fixing everything or tearing your site apart. It's about noticing what has changed. Search behavior changes, your services evolve, the way people look for help shifts quietly over time, and sometimes your website just hasn't caught up yet. Your site can still look polished and professional, but underneath, small things may be working against your visibility. One of the biggest changes I see is content that no longer matches how people search today. The words made sense a year or two ago, but your audience is now using different language. Another common shift is speed. Websites slowly get heavier over time with images, videos, and plugins. Visitors feel that before you do. Clarity is another quiet one. People land on your site, but they're not fully sure what to click or what steps come next. And finally, confidence. When you're guessing instead of knowing what is working, it becomes hard to move forward. A gentle website performance check helps you see all of this clearly. Not to overwhelm you, just to show you what still works, what's shifted, and what needs a little extra care. If you want to start small, the DIY website tune-up guide walks you through the 10 most common issues small business websites struggle with, plus one advanced pro-level tip. It saves hours of searching and guessing on your own, and if you want calm, personalized clarity, an SEO website audit gives you a friendly breakdown of what matters most and what to focus on first. Your website should feel like a steady, supportive tool, not a mystery.